Still have the sniffles. Good morning to everyone. It is week 2 of school and I just came back from a meeting for my club. It's called Animal Science Society. I'm one of the co-presidents of the club and we basically just host animal events and organize it all with our little team of executives. And during this meeting I had to give out the new merch, which is this hoodie here. It has like personalizations on it, but the year and the school names here, and yeah, everybody got their hoodies except for one girl, so I still have hers here. But look, they're so nice. We have merch for our club. Then we also did a Secret Santa gift exchange. I got an Amazon gift card, so that's exactly what I needed. I still have no idea what I'm doing with this weekly vlog thing because I didn't even edit the week 1 yet, as I am I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so behind on schoolwork, so I'm focusing on that. But whenever I have a chance, I'll try to vlog. I really think vlogging is fun and good for me because I just don't have anybody to talk to when I'm at home in my dorm room. It's also really exciting to find little bits of the week that I think are worthy of the vlog. So it's like trying to make my week more memorable through this camera. Otherwise it would have been like just another boring week that will be lost in my memory. I'm just gonna work on some schoolwork and then we'll see how the rest of the week goes. So I just spent the last few hours listening to some Lorde and also working on my animal reproduction course. And I also chose some animals that I am interested in researching for my wildlife nutrition project. So I chose koala, emu, or platypus. So one of those 3 I will be looking into. I just have to check with the professor afterwards once she decides what everybody is allowed to do, and then we can start. So my sniffles, they are not completely gone yet. So you know what I got? I got some Papago I don't know how to say it. Ninjom Papago. I don't know how to say it in Cantonese properly. It is my favorite thing in the world. It is probably the best kind of medicine. I love it. Look at this. It looks like molasses. I've always really enjoyed the taste of this. I could just I can already smell it. This thing is a love or hate situation. I know people who absolutely hate this, but I love it. I can eat so many spoonfuls of it. I don't think you're supposed to, but I just gonna take like 2 of them so that it can help clear my throat. Or I don't know if that's the purpose, but it will just make me feel better. And I think it like clears my nose a little bit whenever I have this. Ooh, look at that. Delicious. I spilled a little bit. I need to be careful with this. One more. Let's go. I feel like I can breathe. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to finish up on my animal reproduction notes. I always print all the slides out and just write beside them. Oh, sorry, this is gonna get demonetized. This channel's not monetized anyway. I wanted to say one more time, and this will be the last time I say why I'm making a vlog. Another reason why I really want to make these vlogs and just record my daily life is because I have a few friends who I really like, of course, and I just don't get to see them often because we all go to separate schools that are completely different. I think most of them are in Toronto and I'm further out in the rural areas, so I don't know what their life is like in university and they don't know what my life is like in university. So you know, if I make this vlog, at least they will know what my life is like, you know, even though I'll never know what it's like to go to university in Toronto. They can at least get a glimpse of my life in a residence and what it's like to live on campus. So yeah, that's one of my other motivations. It's to show people what my life is like. Otherwise, I'm probably going to be disconnected from them even more. If they watch this video, hi, you're awesome. Okay, back to studying stuff about the anatomy of testes. Today is Thursday and I'm going to be getting ready for my horse course and a lab for animal repro. Hot. I just came back from my animal reproduction lab where I learned about ELISA and a LFIA test, which is like something to do with knowing if a cow is pregnant or not. Tomorrow I have a big quiz for animal reproduction, and it's an online quiz, so it will be our first quiz of the semester. Kind of scared, but I'm gonna study all of my repro notes today and hope for the best. The lowest quiz mark is dropped, thank goodness. So I'm gonna study hard for that and eat my leftover chestnut cake, which is in this tofu container. Rewarded myself with some Starbucks after class. Is it good? Yeah. My classmates are discussing a topic that we just learned in class, and I have no idea what they're even talking about. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm doing something else on my computer so that they don't have to ask me questions because I don't know the answer. Looks so cold out today. So that was week 2 of school. I passed my quiz. I got 100 on that, and I've been getting caught up on all of my coursework. I just need to get caught up on my horse course now. So that one will be done tonight, hopefully, and then I can start a brand new week next week. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.